Welcome back. Welcome back for another update. Thank you for coming back. And we're going to give you a little update on what happened today. And today was a big day. A lot of work, a lot of visible work was done today. The blocks started going up for the foundation. Most of the blocks are up. I would say that they're 90% done with that work. Once they finish that, they can put the slab in. And once the slab is in, the carpenters can come, the framers can come and start the work. So let's just go over a few things that were done today, and we're just going to scan through here. You can see the footings down below. The courses of block. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 courses of block there. That brings us pretty well up to elevation. Just looking over here, you can see that a lot of this is not quite ready to elevation, but the other side is close to elevation. So all that work was done today by 3 guys, two masons, one working one side, one working the other side, and a helper. The helper was handing blocks off and mixing concrete while the masons set it. So you might say, why is this side lower, not as far as the other side? Well, if you look at the other side, you see that mason did not have to do as much. He had 12 foot less that he had to stack. That's why his side is higher. He got over here. And this guy had to do 26 feet plus a bump out for a bay window. And what they did for the bay window is they used the drawings and they made a template, and that's what the window is going to look like. That's going to be the seat of the window, not that actual piece of wood, but that's going to be the window seat for a bay window. That's going to be up much higher once the flooring gets put in. So big day, a lot of work, very happy. I can see line of sight to this going to the end of the job. The only problems that we have going forward is materials. There is a lumber shortage because of COVID, and there is a manufacturing backlog for kitchen cabinets and appliances because of COVID. But right now they're not broken through the house. I still have my kitchen. Everything is the same except for my backyard, and I really just don't care. So thanks for tuning in. If any questions, put them down below. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye now.